Welcome back to Design Solutions with Emily. I'm about to show you how we got to here from where we started.
Hey guys, we are talking about design problems and solutions today. So in this case, we had a nice size house without any great space for a pantry. So how did we make it work? We started with your standard, pretty much floor to ceiling pantry with the nice pullouts for all of their things. Then to save on counter space, we threw the microwave in below the counter, put in some great lighted floating shelves that they can put all of their things on for easy, quick access. Came over here and we did vintage drawers so the kids can grab their snacks, fresh food as well. And probably the most important thing for the cook in the family has been this appliance garage. So the doors come out, pocket right back in, so you have full access to your appliances when you need them, but when you don't, you just close the doors and you're left with a beautiful clutter-free kitchen.
And our thanks to the Carpet Shop, your area flooring experts. Stop by their Springfield, Missouri showroom to check out my designer picks each month.